Right to Clubhouse of the Dragon. Deals Gap. Let's go, Mr. Stunt Driver. So I'm not a fan of this road at all. I don't think I've ever done it in a car. Got a little GoPro out there in case if that one don't work, we'll have this one here work. So hopefully between one of them will. This window sucks. I was trying to get it. How do you make it not?
Just barely bump it.
I am. There we go. Try to get some, because I got this windsock on. Hopefully we'll be able to get some exhaust noise, but I don't like the Dragon. The Dragon, everybody loves running the Dragon, but the Dragon's just too tight and too narrow, especially for a car. But if you know the road and you know the car, it can be fun, you know. A lot of people die on this road. We're going to be conservative with it. Still break in, and we want to live to see tomorrow. So whatever the driver is comfortable with, we'll be ready to go. What are you, grandma over there or what?
Yeah.
Okay. Luckily it's a Tuesday and there's nobody out here. Welcome to Tennessee. Untreated road ahead. Yeah, no kidding. So this is 365 curves and 11 miles. Oh, you looking at me? I think that's right. Is that right?
Something.
And I think the record is 11 minutes. I think it's on a bike, which is an average of 60 miles an hour, which is insane. But you're having more fun than I am. How's it feel over there? Good?
Good.
Car handles pretty good. We're not doing anything radical. We're just out for a Sunday drive, basically. Sounds fantastic. This kind of road is like second and third gear on a Harley. You're pushing it, you know. These curves are that tight. I know the video doesn't do it justice, but it is a tight, twisty road. On weekends, it is packed with bikes. Never was fans of seeing cars on it. Nice turn there, huh? in sport mode.
Yes.
Doesn't feel like much of nothing over here. Little Sunday
Only
stroll.
30 miles an hour.
Right? Which is the speed limit, right? 30?
Mm-hmm.
That's exactly what he's doing. See that guy? It's 30. They ain't lying, man. We're just out for a Sunday stroll. We're not out here to push the limits. A little Sunday afternoon drive. It's probably more fun to go the other way.
Yeah.
And look, it says Rhino is still alive and king of the... Oh, wait, that's my video. That's why it says that. I thought it was a song. Why is my video on the dash? I thought that was a song. I thought, wow, we got my... That's kind of crazy. Notice how this professional driver stayed on his side of the road, maintaining his lane. Me, I'd be taking the whole road. Even right here, because you can see. But he doesn't do that. He maintains his lane. This here's a curve that tricks a lot of people. I've seen a lot of bikes off right there. It comes up and bites them. Another big sweeping curve that gets a lot of traffic in the ditch there. They start getting cocky. Shouldn't say that, really. See, I would have went. Well, I am not a professional driver. Your windshield's nasty, sir. So what do you think about the downshifting? You liking it? Getting a little more used to it?
Getting better.
Getting better? So is it better to do it that way or just put it in automatic, let the car do it?
I prefer manual.
You prefer manual? Yeah, I think a 6-speed manual would have been killer, but that 10-speed's pretty nice. This is a bad one right here. And wet road. Oh, Lord. That sounds pretty wicked, though. Hope you guys can hear that. For factory exhaust, man, she sounds pretty good. Can't believe you haven't drifted at once. It's not kicked out on us all day. It's handled whatever we've thrown at it. Not that we're really throwing anything at it. This is probably not the road you want to drift it on. It's not very wide. That stability control kicked in, didn't it? It gets pretty angry when that stability control kicks in. Like does all kinds of braking and kicking back. You don't even have traction control turned off. You've got everything on. Traction control, stability control, everything. What is that?
Mustang.
A Mustang. Did you guys hear that Mustang? Don't make us turn around. Somebody orange Camaro with black racing stripes draws trouble. I think when we do the cat back or the long tube headers and lose the cats, I think I'm gonna put electric cutouts on it. What do you think about that? It's only $100 for electric cutouts. So I think when I do the exhaust, I'll put electric cutouts on it. Open that thing straight, open the header. When I want to be loud, like when I go to the track or whatever. Put a big cam in it, sound good. If we don't want the noise, we'll put her in touring mode and close everything up. Jeep. That's where it's good to practice staying in your own lane. You gotta worry about anybody but your, them. That tree had a couple of trophies. Seems like it just goes on forever. 11 miles is a long ways at 30 miles an hour. We'll come back up here this summer when the photographers are out and get our picture taken. son's got his picture of his SS on this road. I'm going to crash the this next SS party they have. They have a SS club. There's like 50 of them showed up last year. I'm going to crash it this year. You want to come with me and crash it? Hopefully by then we've got some engine work done. I'm hoping we got 200 more miles. We'll throw some headers on it. I don't really think we have to wait till 500 though, do you? We can put headers on it now, but so I think we one more mile we'll be at the end of it. So I hope you guys enjoyed the ride on the Dragon. The 2019 Camaro slayed the Dragon. Want to come here on a good hot day when the tires are getting soft? I think the seats are holding okay. Alright, stop. Take that GoPro off. Very nice, man. I hope you guys enjoyed the ride. Smash that like button. See you on the next one.